Learn English with love. Lesson 1, How it began. Powered by English-Portal.net.
Hello, what are you doing here?
Hello, I am Linda. This is my younger sister, and we are waiting here for our friend Carla. She is in the department store over there, and we are already tired. Who are you?
Oh, I am Brian. Yes, I am also waiting for a friend. He is in the department store, too. Are you here often?
We are here every day.
Yes, the department store is very big.
Look, there she is.
My friend is there too. Hey, what are you doing tonight?
We are going to the cinema. And you?
First, we are drinking something and then. We do not know yet. My friend is here since this morning. He is just on vacation here.
Are you also new here?
Yes, I am actually from Germany, and my friend is from Sweden. My father, however, is British.
Oh, that is interesting. Unfortunately, I have to go. You are very nice.
Thanks! You are too. Maybe I will see you around.
Watch out for more dialogues here soon. Powered by English-Portal.net.